Gina with WTI, and when you go through a remodel or renovation, it's all about the finishing details to making things look really good. We used this Pionasuicg Stair nosing to complete the top step into our bathroom in our RV. This is vinyl and self-adhesive, and I am so impressed with how well it sticks to the surface. We got the color gray. It matches our floors really well, and I love that this has grip on it. So I've slipped on these stairs before we had the edging, and it does not feel good to fall down them, but now that we have the edging, I haven't had any issues with that. This was also perfect to use on my husband's handmade plyo box for CrossFit training. He really wanted to cover the edges with it so that it would have more protection and be able to handle him jumping up on it, obviously, and without having to slide around. So I covered the edges with that, and it turned out really well and stuck to that surface really strongly as well. When I first got it out of the box and laid it on the step, I was concerned that it wouldn't lay flat, but I just used my hairdryer to warm it up a little bit, and it laid perfectly flat. It was totally fine. Even when I was covering the edges of the plyo box, I would just hang the pieces in front of our heater outside to get them warm and more flexible, and it worked perfectly. We really like this stair edging. It has put the perfect finish on our project, and that's our point of view.